Hey everybody, so there's a couple things that I want to talk about today. One, where we're at as far as the economy and this recession that everybody's talking about. And two, what a lot of our clients and different business owners are doing right now to prepare for things getting worse. The fact is, they got to get worse before they get better. We've seen it time and time again in history. That's just the way it is. So a lot of business owners are starting to prepare themselves now for the future. So, for example, the other day we actually had a client in the construction. They're in high-end construction. So during a recession, what happens? People stop updating their house more, getting a new pool, all these different things, right? So we had that business owner, they borrowed about $500,000 through their current business to purchase another business that is more recession-proof, right? That is one way. Another way, a lot of business owners are starting to get lines of credit, right? If you've got decent credit, 620, 640 plus, we can get you a line of credit, no problem. You don't have to start paying on the money until you start using it. So should you need it in the future, you have that available to you, right? That is another really good thing that a lot of business owners are doing right now. Because as rates are starting to go up at the banks, well, we're also starting to see it in the private lending side too. Not as much, but it is coming, right? So now is the time to put yourself in a line of credit, lock in those rates. So in the future, if things get bad or worse, then you have that to fall back on. You have access to that additional capital, right? Again, opening another business, buying another rental property. There's a lot of different things that you can do with our money versus what you'd be able to do in a bank, right? The bank needs to know exactly what you're doing with the money. They won't lend for certain things. They will lend for certain things. You got to have 750 plus credit, yada, 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 right? With private lenders, it's mostly unsecured, right? So if it's the boat you've always wanted to get, but you can't get a boat loan. If it's a business you've always wanted to start or buy, but you can't get a startup loan for that. But you have a business now that you can borrow the money for and use it for something else, right? There's a lot of different options. Again, we are definitely in a recession. The definition of a recession is what? Exactly, 3 months, and we're in it, right? It's only going to get worse. So you need to start preparing yourself now for things to get worse in the future. That way you're protected, right? Whether it's a line of credit, whether it's growing your current business, whether it's purchasing another business, getting another revenue stream, whatever it may be, there's a lot of different ways that we can help you out. So if we can do anything to help at all, versabusinesssystems.com, or give us a call at 410-864-8034, and one of our consultants will be happy to help you. Thank you.